What is a carbon footprint? The trace of the greenhouse gases produced by human activities is known as the carbon footprint. This environmental indicator measures both direct and indirect emissions of chemical compounds.
Causes of the carbon footprint. The main cause is the energy used on the fossil fuels of oil, coal, and gas. Bills to energy, electricity, and here are our homes. Another major factory trans gasoline of cars, and it produces large emissions. Furthermore, industriality activity some intense effect recouches on us to responsibility for released CO2 and final reforestation with reductions the Earth's ability to absorb CO2 makes the event worse.
The consequence. In the case of the environmental impact, we have four impacts. And the first is climate change. The increase in greenhouse gases trap heat in the atmosphere, leading to global warming. The second is melting of polar ice caps and glaciers. This raises sea levels affecting coastal communities and marine ecosystems. The third is loss of biodiversity. Climate shifts spread natural habitats endangering many species. And the fourth is the extreme weather events. There is an increase in the frequency and intensity of hurricanes, droughts, wildfires, and floods. The other consequence is in the impact on natural resources. The first is deforestation. The demand for land for agriculture or urbanization leads to the loss of forests, which are natural carbon sinks. And the second consequence is in the water scarcity. Melting glaciers and change in rainfall patterns affect the freshwater reserves.
What can prevent to reduce carbon footprint? First, the use of renewable energy, such as solar or wind, is essential to reduce emissions. Furthermore, we must promote sustainable transportation, using bicycles, walking, or taking public transportation of the lot. Also,